Hello and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Judith. Today we're going to do a miso marinated chicken. So first off, we have blonde miso. Get a look at that. And we're going to put in a largish tablespoon. And we want about a tablespoon of mirin. We want 2 to 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce. And about a teaspoon of toasted sesame oil. Now we're going to mix that up so that the miso dissolves into the liquid. And this miso is, you see that there? Fairly thick when you first start. Just keep squishing it around until it's evenly distributed. So once we have our marinade done, we're going to get our chicken and pat it dry. So just to remove any juices that might have accumulated on your chicken while it was in the fridge or at the store or in the freezer, whether you use fresh or frozen. Just give it a good, we want a sealable bag. We're going to put our chicken in that. And pour our marinade in on top. Seal the bag. Don't worry at this point about getting the air out of it, because we're going to massage our chicken. Squeeze the air out of the bag. And reseal it. So now you want to leave this to marinate. You could do it overnight, making sure you turn it at least once, or half an hour is fine. Leave that to marinate, and then we'll come back. Once your chicken has been marinated for as long as you can give it, or 24 hours, hopefully, to at least, put it in an oiled baking dish. And if there's any extra marinade, do pour it in on top. I don't think we really have much in the way of extra today. So now that we have it all marinated and in a great oven-proof dish, we're going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees for approximately 45 minutes to an hour. Just keep a good eye on it for that last 15 minutes, because once it starts browning, it goes quick. And it can end up very, very brown. It's still tasty though. This is our miso chicken served with rice and steamed baby bok choy. I hope you enjoyed the video.